Welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael Studebaker, and today we're going to be discussing my 6 best blockchain stocks to buy into based on the top cryptocurrency trends like right now in 2021. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more on personal finance and investing. So now let's get straight into the video. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are here to stay. They're the future. So over the next few years, there will be more ups and downs, but blockchain innovation will continue. That's why I'm going to be sharing my favorite blockchain stocks today. I followed cryptocurrencies for close to 6 years and have been investing ever since day one. The technology is impressive, and my investing background also lends me a hand. I've uncovered some great investing opportunities, many of them are high risk, but not all of them. So the list in this video includes established companies. They've already proven their core business model and produce, reliable cash flows. This allows them to invest in blockchain and other new technologies out there. As blockchain continues to grow, these companies could see a boost in sales. So they're exploring and developing some unique crypto-related services. So without further ado, let's dive right into this list of blockchain stocks. So first one, IBM. IBM has its hand in many areas, but it's specifically become a leader in blockchain technologies over the past few years. It offers one of the leading open source platforms in the field. Already many companies use IBM's crypto related services, and they come from different industries, including the supply chain, healthcare, insurance, oil and gas industries, among many others. IBM has invested heavily in blockchain and is already seeing some returns. This growth should continue as more companies pivot to using these new ledger technologies. And as mentioned, IBM has many other sources of revenue. So this provides more stability for investors as these other projects grow. So next one, Overstock.com. So this is an early adopter of cryptocurrencies. The company is primarily an online retailer for furniture. It started accepting Bitcoin payments as early as 2014 and has since then, Overstock's been investing heavily in blockchain technology. 2017, Overstock launched its plans to create its own cryptocurrency. This resulted in the T0 token, as well as a blockchain trading platform. The goal was to combine the best of the traditional securities and cryptocurrencies. It's been a bumpy ride though, but this blockchain stock has hit new highs in the last year. Overstock has also partnered with Coinbase to access more customers who want to use Bitcoin for purchases. And as we know, Coinbase is one of the leading crypto exchanges. You can find so many cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Next one, Mastercard. Mastercard's a huge financial company and it deals with payment processing. So naturally, as Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have grown, this company has kept a close eye on them. And recently, it's making some bigger moves. So in February of 2021, Mastercard announced that it's preparing now for the future of crypto and payments. So this year, Mastercard will start supporting and select cryptocurrencies directly on its network. So you can just see how the future implications of it, more companies accepting cryptocurrencies. So Mastercard's a cash flow machine, is taking steps to future-proof its business. It's a well-known company, but also an up-and-coming blockchain stock to watch. So next one, Square. Square is another payment processor, and it focuses on mobile payments. It's one of the newer companies on the list. but its core business is growing rapidly. And back in 2018, Square added Bitcoin to its services. With Square's popular Cash app, customers can buy and sell Bitcoin. Going another step forward, the company also formed Square Crypto. It's an independent team, solely focused on contribution to Bitcoin's open source work. On top of that, Square bought $50 million worth of Bitcoin in 2020. That represented roughly 1% of Square's assets at that time, although the position has likely grown with the price of Bitcoin. So Square is a unique blockchain stock and Bitcoin investing opportunity. So definitely consider that. Next one, JP Morgan Chase, which is initially avoided Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The CEO, Jamie Dimon, went so far as to call it a fraud, but he's since backtracked a bit. He's regretting calling it a fraud and said the blockchain is real. In 2019, JP Morgan created and successfully tested a digital coin representing fiat currency. And the company is continually to research and blockchain to develop in-house solutions, across its different lines of business. So since JP Morgan is a big bank, the initial hesitancy about Bitcoin made sense. But with Bitcoin's continued momentum, banks like JP Morgan will benefit by adapting to it, More of their customers are warming up to cryptocurrencies, and the blockchain technologies have many useful applications in the real world. So, next one, CME Group. CME Group is a financial markets company. It deals in derivatives, exchanges, and trades assets such as agricultural products, metals, currencies, and stocks. And as Bitcoin has gained popularity, CME has gotten on the action. So they now offer cryptocurrency products. It gives exposure with Bitcoin futures and options, as well as Ether futures. This is a big move and another vote of confidence in blockchain technologies. So investing in CME Group will give you some exposure to blockchain. It's a small piece of the business for now, but as crypto momentum grows or continues, I expect continued growth. Blockchain technology and trends. Most of blockchain stocks, above, are in the financial industry, but blockchain goes much further. It's still in its early stages, and disruption is coming. The transparency, the immutability, and security of blockchain technology makes it useful in many different cases far beyond cryptocurrencies. It can be used in from stock trading to food safety to healthcare data security to bankings. In fact, the World Economic Forum predicts blockchain will store 10% of global gross domestic product within the next decade. It could save the finance industry billions of dollars. It can cut out the middleman, and you can use it to better manage supply chains. So, for example, you could trace contaminated foods back to their sources. The improvements in speed and security could be revolutionary. So transaction times and trade costs could decrease. You could even use blockchain to track property ownership in less developed nations. Or you could prevent concerts or sport ticket counterfeiting right here in the United States. Virtually any situation where you need to store transactional information is a prime area to benefit from blockchain technology. And with so much opportunity out there for growth, there are huge opportunities for you to profit from just the coming revolution. And I really think Bitcoin and blockchain and cryptos are here to stay. They also have stable businesses, and the ability to invest in new technologies. The setup provides safer exposure to blockchain technologies, and I think they're here to stay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more on personal finance and investing. I hope this video gives you guys, some ideas or companies to look at and do your own research, due diligence. And as long as it's in your field of competency, and just see blockchain and technology as the future, you got to believe that. Remember, consistency is key and hard work pays off. Thanks, guys. I'm Michael, and I'll see you guys in the next video.